Hello and welcome back, and today I want to do a very quick video for you. It's going to be doing inequalities in 8080 assembly, which, I have done before, but this time we will be doing 16-bit inequalities. So instead of 8-bit, we'll be doing 16-bit. So this is much more useful. So let's do 16-bit inequalities. We're going to be testing if DE is less than BC, okay? And use this in your for loops. Absolutely wonderful. And if there is a better way to do this, please put it in the comments below. Some of you are actually pretty good at that. So let's just do this. b.5 print string equals 9. You know, the normal stuff. Okay. Num1. Num2, and let's do this. Num1 equals ABCD, okay. Num2 equals ABCEH. Okay, so it's one more. Now, let us start doing the inequality stuff. Let me just pull up my notes here. There we go. So what I do is I move the left side of the sign to the accumulator, and then I'm going to compare it to the number on the right side of the sign. So I want to compare D to B. Or should I say I want to compare B. Right. Then I will JC, jump if carry to less than. So if the carry is set, then it'll jump to less than. And if you notice, I'm doing one byte at a time. So all I'm doing is I'm testing the high byte, and then I'm going to test the low byte. Okay, now time to test the low byte, right? Move E to A, compare C to it, and then JC less than. And if it's not less than, then that means it's greater than or equal to. So that's easy. We'll do LXI D greater text, call put s, and return. And then down here, we LXI D less text, call put s, and return. Okay, and then of course put s is mvic print string call bdos return. Okay, then greater text is, let's see, de is greater than or equal to bc. Okay. And this is going to be less than. Okay. Now let's see if this runs. So we're in the sim to read test asm test, load test, test. DE is less than BC. So let's see if this is true. I load number 1 into DE, and I load number 2 into BC. And number 1 is ABCD, number 2 is ABCE, so it is one more. It looks like that works. Let's try swapping these numbers around. Okay. Test asm test, load test, test. DE is greater than or equal to BC. It works. And it's that easy. And again, if you guys know of an easier way to do 16-bit comparisons, or even 32-bit, 24-bit, or 32-bit comparisons, please let me know in the comments below. And I will see you next time.